Hey y'all, hoping y'all are ready for this fun and exciting day. I know I am. Just wanted to remind you a few things that we discussed yesterday in class. Remember that each square is going to be 10 square feet, or 10 feet squared, whichever you prefer to say. In our playground yesterday, we said the minimum requirement was 500. We made ours exactly 500. So we went 10 wide and 5 tall. 10 times 5 is 50. And then if each one's 10, so we multiply that by 10, and we get 500. Okay, so this is 500 square feet. And then we talked about that because we did that, that made each little side length here 3.1. I think I told some of y'all 3.3. My bad, I did it wrong. But I'm fixing it now. So 3.1 here. So what we did was to find the perimeter, we just counted the pieces. There were 10 across, 5 down, 10 across on the bottom, 5 up. When you add all of that up, you get 30. And then we multiplied 30 times 3.1 because each little piece was 3.1 feet, and we got a perimeter of 93 feet.